Thank you for the friendship, the laughter we shared all through the years. MYMP na barkada, turn simple moments into memories. From all the laag and funny moments, you made our days feel so light. With your smile and your crazy jokes, everything just feels right. And we may be far, but we all know real bonds don't fade, they only grow. Thank you, Melay, sa atong nga paghigugma, sa tanan nga katawa, sa tanan nga natumduman ta. Upod sanday, Dave, Jam, Jess, Reg, Pogue, George. Ang aton gugma ka-closeness, inikit maglabok, bisan diin ka man makatubisan, anong nga layo. Aton pagkabarkada madayon, hasta sa liwat nga adlaw. Baguio trips and Camigan skies, Nipaville love that never dies. Late night talks and inside jokes, memories written in our hearts and minds. And may your pungkulness be okay in Hawaii, even when life feels strange and new. A part of us will always be with you. In every step you do, our memories follow you everywhere. Thank you, Melay, sa ato nga paghigugma, sa tanan nga katawa, sa tanan nga natumduman ta. Upod sanday, If, Jam, Jesh, Reg, ug George. Ang aton gugma ka-closeness, indikit maglabo, bisan diin ka man makatubisan, anong nga layo. Atong pagkabarkada madayon, hasta sa liwat nga adlaw. May your green jokes live happily now, shared with your husband every day, turning laughter into real life magic in your own funny crazy way. And those avocado memories we share, may they hit your brain and make you smile. A random laugh in the middle of the day, even from 1,000 miles. So thank you, Melay, for everything, for the love, the tears, the fun and pain. Our hearts are tight like strings, across oceans, across plains. Wherever you go, wherever you stay, in our hearts, you'll always stay. Ako ay isang hamak na bayiran lamang at walay labot sa inyong barkada. Ang atong kong tutosidin na malabot, itignawan na ko'y bayan, malabot tani nga grupo. Bahala na mo! Okay, bye!